It's the only vessel I can see here. This is a video for a gentleman looking for to buy this boat, and it's I'll get back to you on that. Look at the here's the name of it, and we know a gentleman who owns it. He's owned it for a bunch of years now, and what is this? Debbie? It's a Union 36. I heard my wife, Debbie. Like pretty well equipped, huh? Life raft and so forth. I don't know if it had dinghy davits or not, but it's got a wind vane and mast steps like ours. We're at Paradise Village Marina, and this boat's been here for a while, off and on. It's like jerry jug holders and Kingston, whatever. And there you go. Well, I guess you can get this little one here. What? Pardon me? Anchors. Okay, well, you can see on the side